LMC currently has 2 locations which we operate out of. Avon, New York is where the business started in the early 80s. And here 40 years later, we have our fully operating facility here in Dansville, New York. We currently operate from Maine down to Virginia, even touching parts of North Carolina, and typically go over as far as Ohio as far as the general footprint of areas that we service. So our facility here in Dansville is very unique. It allows us to do multiple projects in multiple areas simultaneously. We have about 650,000 square feet of fabrication and manufacturing space under roof. We sit on 83 acres. We have a short line rail service, very reliable rail service here at the facility. We have just under 1,000 ton of overhead crane capacity in the building. Largest crane being 150 plus and smallest all the way down to 5 ton. So our lifting capacity for the industry that we're in is fantastic. We try to prefabricate at least 90% of the work that we install. So if we have a large project that will go 10 to 11 months in the field, we'll take all of the fabrications and drawings and so forth that are required to perform that work and install in the field, and we'll get that designed and prefabricated so that it can be an easy installation and reduce the field effort that sometimes is required to move that type of labor from place to place. The shop capacity, the longest tube that we have is about 1,260 feet. Really is too full for that with the fabrication that we have.
Currently in our shop, the projects that we're working on are heavy structural steel items related to the bridge industry. We do everything from HVAC to natural gas industry, infrastructure build out, heavy highway bridge, structural steel fabrication, general building steel fabrication, painting, hauling, rigging, setting equipment. LMC has really set ourselves up with all the new equipment. We added a Lincoln Python machine that has helped us be very competitive in our structural steel business. Recently, we've added a Vernon pipe plasma processor. That machine was very integral to our success. And more recently, we just purchased a brand new plate processor called a FESHEP Gemini 32. That's going to help revolutionize our ability to get involved in the infrastructure rebuild of all of our bridges.
We provide our customers with a full working knowledge of the projects that they put in front of us. We try to envision the project and build the project as we estimate that for them and give them a fully loaded proposal for the work that we envision that they're trying to install or accomplish. We think we offer the most value to them in the approach that we give them. And I think most customers realize that in the multiple segments that we're in. Our goal right now is to reach those customers that really want a full service provider, someone that is interested in what they do, interested in providing them with a quality product at the end of the day, with a service that they expect to receive for the funds that they pay you. I think that longer term, as you look into the path that LMC has taken from the small mechanical to the heavier industrial, our focus has always been in the energy. That's been the largest area that we've been servicing over the last 30 years. LMC looks forward to providing a reliable, economical solution for your future needs and hope that you would look upon us for offering those services.